Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to change video FPS on this device. So firstly, you'll have to switch to the video mode by pressing this quick switch button, then go to the video mode, and then swipe your finger like this, and here you can change your FPS. It depends on which resolution is set. For example, not in every resolution you can set 60 frames per second, but in most of them you can. Whoa! In this one, lower resolutions you can even set 120 FPS and even 240. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.